Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix the iPhone 17 crackling speaker issue. So actually there's a lot of reports about this issue, and at first how to fix that. At first what I recommend doing is to go to the settings and here scroll down to the apps. Scroll down to the music, and if you use Apple Music, open music. If you use some different application, go to the equalizer in just your own player. Here scroll down and tap EQ. Once you tap EQ, you should disable it. Here, disable EQ. Here, slower streaming, enable high quality, enable sound check, and everything should be now fine. If it still isn't, you have to go back to the accessibility right here, and now you need to go, wait a moment, where was that? Here, wait a moment, I need to find it. So now you need to scroll down so that you can see audio and visual. Here, scroll further and enable mono audio. Toggle it, turn on mono audio, and check if now your speaker cracks or something like that. If it isn't, that's nice. But if it still is, you need to contact device support because your device may be broken, or you have the water inside. If it isn't, disable mono audio and check if it still cracks. If it isn't, that's nice, you're good to go. If it is, you need to contact device support again. Goodbye!